The question kasi lies is this. Ito yung question. Coach, what if wala talagang level 5? Anong gagawin ko? Okay? So, you have two options. One option is, so again, ang ibig ko sabihin, you can trade level 4, level 3 on specific pairs na nire-recommend ko. Okay? They are OddCAD, okay, NCD CAD, EURUSHF, USDCHF. Itong mga level 3 na yan, itong mga yan, ito yung worst drawdown nila in dollars sa $500. Ibig sabihin, if nag-trade ka ng OddCAD, level 3, pumasok ka after, and then nag-worst drawdown siya from historically past 4 years, it will give you negative $196 from your $500. So that's roughly 40% drawdown. Okay, yung in-example ko kanina si EURUSHF. In the past 4 years, walang nag-level 5, pero si EURUSHF nagkaroon ng level 3, pumasok ka ng level 3. So historically, kung uulitin niyo tong 103 at the 0.01, pwede ka magkaroon ng drawdown ng 20%. So what I'm saying is, itong mga pairs na chinek ko are low risk pairs.